Riya, though Sikkim is a small state, but it attracts many tourists. So what she said that it is indeed, Riya, it is a very fascinating state. It attracts lot of tourists. That's why you are also attracted. You also are curious about this state. You also want to visit this state. So she said that Sikkim is a small state, but it attracts many tourists because of this beautiful scenic beauty, beautiful this art and craft. Everything attracts lot of tourists over there. People visit Sikkim not only to enjoy the view but also for mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, yak safari, and mountain biking and hang gliding. So people used to enjoy all these adventure sports, right? All these adventure sports people can enjoy in Sikkim. That's why the Sikkim attracts lot of tourists because of this adventure sports also. So I will be showing you the pictures of all these adventures. So this is mountaineering. As I have told you, mountaineering it is the activity of mountain climbing. You can see the people are climbing mountains. So this activity is known as mountaineering. This activity you can do in Sikkim. Next is trekking. Trekking means to go on a long journey, typically on foot. It may be slow or a difficult journey also. Trekking, they used to go for trekking to explore new things, okay, in the forest, in the valleys, okay. Next is rafting. Rafting, like the sport of traveling down a river on a raft. They used to sit on a river and then they used to sail on this high current of that river, okay. This is rafting. Next is safari. Safari is journey taken to observe the animals in a natural habitat. So they used to sit in that jeep, or we can say bus. Their people are locked inside that jeep or that bus, and the animals are moving freely in that jungle. So they used to observe the animals closely in that natural habitat, okay. Next is hang gliding. Hang gliding is a sport in which you fly in the sky using an instrument. So this is an instrument which helps people to fly, okay. So these are some of the adventure sports we people can do in Sikkim, okay. So as I have shown you the pictures of mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, safari and mountain biking, hang gliding, so all these pictures you have seen. So children, next is Ria. My father told me that Sikkim got its first airport recently. So what Ria told to her, that her father has told her that Sikkim got its first airport recently. So what Bodhi replied, yes Ria, it's called the Pakyong Airport. Okay, what is the name of the airport? Pakyong Airport. Now many more people will be able to visit my beautiful state. So Bodhi, she replied that now the Sikkim has got that first airport recently, and now more people can go to visit the Sikkim, that beautiful state. Ria, wow, Bodhi, I'm wondering how exciting it would be to visit Sikkim. So she became very curious. She wanted to visit that fascinating state. So children, now I'll show you the picture of Pakyong Airport in Sikkim. So this is the picture of Pakyong Airport in Sikkim. See how beautiful it is, right? So this is the picture of Pakyong Airport of Sikkim. So now Ria, she said that she wants to visit Sikkim very soon. She's very excited now and she wants to visit this state very soon. So this is all about Sikkim. You can see the beautiful state of Sikkim, the beautiful houses over there, right? So thank you all. I hope you have enjoyed the story, you have explored the state, and you will remember all the facts about Sikkim. Thank you everyone.